So my men, there is something that is called sperm infection. If you are looking forward to give birth or to impregnate a woman and you cannot do it, you keep putting it, the thing no dey yield any result, first go and treat infection. So now this is what you need. You see this, we call it draw apps. If you have watery sperm, if your sperm is very very watery, or is come, or whenever you release it just come out as if the thing will just come stop, it doesn't come out the way it's supposed to come, you need to treat infection. Now this will work 100% for your sperm infection. If your sperm is watery or you have sperm infection, you cannot give birth to, you cannot even impregnate a woman. So that is why it is always advisable for those that are looking forward to give birth. God will answer your prayers. You need to treat infection always and always. So for men, this is all you need. You use this for 7 days and then you use this draw apps with it. Before you finish this draw apps, even you yourself, you don't know, say yes, this is beautiful. So men, it is not only women that should treat themselves, especially when we are looking for children. Men too, you people should treat yourself.